We've all heard about ChatGPT, but what exactly is it and how can you use this sort of AI as an investor? In this video, I'm going to answer these crazy questions that you have on your mind. So smash that like button and let's get right into it. So, ChatGPT is basically a chatbot that uses the GPT-3 language model to generate responses in a conversation. It's designed to be able to hold a conversation with a human in a natural and conversational way. And it's actually freaky how human-like it can actually be. To use ChatGPT, you simply need to start a conversation with it, and it will generate responses based on the input you give it. You can use ChatGPT for a variety of purposes, such as having a conversation for entertainment or to get information on a particular topic. I'm sure you've all been seeing ChatGPT's capabilities all over social media. It can help you write essays, scripts, code, and this is all probably just scratching the surface for what's to come in the future. Now, how does this apply to you as an investor? While ChatGPT is limited in its capabilities to help you in and of itself, advanced language models like ChatGPT are powerful algorithms that use machine learning to process vast amounts of data and provide insights and answers in real time. These models have already been used in a variety of fields, from healthcare and customer service to natural language processing and image recognition, and now they are starting to be applied to finance and investing. So how can advanced language models transform your investing practices? Here are just 5 of the many ways. 1, they can help you make better investment decisions. With advanced language models, you can get real-time insights into the stock market and other financial markets, as well as personalized investment recommendations based on your goals and risk tolerance. This can help you make more informed decisions and maximize your returns. 2, they can help you stay on top of the latest economic news and trends. With advanced language models, you can get real-time updates on everything from changes in interest rates and inflation to the latest political developments and geopolitical events. This can help you stay informed and be more prepared for whatever the future may hold. 3, they can help you understand complex financial concepts and jargon. Let's face it, the world of finance is full of complex concepts and technical language that can be hard to understand. But with advanced language models, you can ask any question and get a clear, easy to understand explanation. This can help you gain a better understanding of the financial world and make more informed decisions. 4, they can help you plan for your financial future. With advanced language models, you can get personalized advice on everything from retirement planning and estate planning to budgeting and debt management. This can help you take control of your financial future and make smart decisions that will help you achieve your goals. 5, they can help you connect with other investors and experts. Advanced language models are being integrated into a growing number of financial platforms and services, allowing users to connect with other investors, share ideas, and learn from experts in the field. This can help you expand your network and gain valuable insights and perspectives. As you can see, advanced language models have the potential to transform the economy and the investing world in many exciting ways. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these technologies can help you make sense of the financial world and make better decisions. So why not try them out for yourself? Look for financial services and platforms that are using advanced language models and see how they can help you take control of your financial future. Here are some advanced language models to keep an eye out for as an investor. GPT-3, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, GPT-3 was developed by OpenAI and is a state-of-the-art language model that uses machine learning to generate natural language text based on a given output. It has been used in a variety of applications, including financial analysis and investment advice. BERT, short for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, is another advanced language model developed by Google. It uses a deep learning technique called Transformer to process text and extract meaning from it, making it useful for tasks such as financial analysis and sentiment analysis. Elmo, short for Embeddings from Language Models, is a language model developed by the Allen Institute for Artificial Intelligence. It uses a unique approach called contextualized word embeddings to process text and extract meaning, making it useful for tasks such as financial forecasting and risk analysis. These are just a few examples of advanced language models that are being used in finance and investing, and that will be used increasingly in the future. There are many other models and technologies that are being developed and applied to these fields, and the potential uses for these technologies are vast and exciting. If you follow the advice of investing masterminds masterminds like Warren Buffett, who tell you to think differently from everyone else, you should be paying attention to using AI to get the edge over other investors. Remember that as a strong investor, you need to be ahead of the game, and AI can help you do just that, so it's worth looking into whether you're a beginner investor or a seasoned pro. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.